behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to welcome and thank all of you who joined us in person and virtually. Now I would like to call Alemayehu Siyum Tafasa.
Welcome to this research and policy conference on rebuilding livelihoods in conflict-affected communities in Ethiopia. The conference aims to contribute to the dialogue that informs policy priorities by providing empirical evidence on the economic, social, and psychological effects of conflict and drought more specifically, and help policymakers select suitable and feasible options towards sustainable recovery.
We seem to live in times of constant shocks and crises, and these constant crises make economic development and food system transformation even more complicated, because in the short run we have to make some hard choices.
Generating evidence is one thing. Using that evidence to propel change is a different issue. And so I hope with the presence of the different players and stakeholders in the room, this gives us already entry points for us to move from generation of evidence towards application of these evidence in different areas to make sure that this evidence does not go to waste, that this evidence can actually help us as we seek to recover from conflict. But beyond that, this evidence will also be relevant just across the board.
Human despair, human challenges are difficult. So how much you want to intellectualize it, at the end of the day, it's human dignity. That's what we need to rebuild.
Conflicts and droughts in Ethiopia have been affecting the livelihoods of millions of citizens, for which the government and development partners are mobilizing resources to rebuild and restore their dignity, resilience, and sustainable livelihoods of affected communities. This conference brings together stakeholders to emphasize investing in the affected communities and promoting their resilience, ensuring that no one is left behind.
I'd like to underscore that moving forward, it's imperative that we continue to build on the knowledge and strategies outlined today. Our collective efforts must focus on implementing these insights to rebuild, to strengthen livelihoods, and to focus on who are the most affected and vulnerable people in the context of conflict in Ethiopia. I really want to extend my deep gratitude to all of our speakers, panelists, moderators, participants, and our gracious hosts. This has been a series of invaluable contributions that have made for a very successful conference, and thank you all for joining.